I'm just about to start meditation. I think you can hear we're just doing the introduction, so it's Tuesday. I'm about to start Meditation Rocks, very excited.
With the feet pressing into the earth.
I just finished Meditation Rocks and it was definitely really good. I felt in a place like I could, ask for support if I wanted to, but also everyone was kind of in their zone, doing their own meditation, so very kind of supported and kind of very much an environment where I felt very comfortable. I think one of the best things was towards the end you hold your hands together and it's almost like meant to be kind of holding your hand out to anyone who needs it at the moment. Really like that idea, and Lucy and Meditation Rocks, definitely something that I would recommend for people to try. Hi, so it's Wednesday and it's about 10:15. I'm just getting ready for the 3 Steps to a Good Day workshop. This is run by Paul, one of the counsellors for student services, and he runs a longer course for students suffering with low mood, and I think I'm very excited to see what his advice is. Hopefully this is a good day too. So I've just finished the 3 Steps to a Good Day workshop and it was really good, really interactive as well. So one of the tips was about gratitude and we practiced some gratitude journaling. So writing a few things down about what I'm grateful for. Hi guys, so it's Thursday and I'm about to go on to Bath Mind session, which is about your mental health at work. I'm very excited for this session. So one of the activities that we've been asked to do is a circle of continuum. I'm just going to show you my circle. So I'm writing a list of worries, and then the middle circle is what I've kept control over, and the bigger circle is stuff that I can't have control over, so kind of allocate my worries really. So I've just finished the session on looking after your mental health at work. It was really informative. I got some tips about how to speak to your line manager at work, kind of how to bring up a conversation about mental health in the workplace. Talked about what mental health is and the difference between that and mental well-being. Went through kind of a lot of practical things as well that you can do to deal with worries and kind of look after your well-being every day as well. I've really enjoyed going to the sessions this week, I have to say. I hope that has given you some insight into what the sessions are like, and if you want more information you can go to the website and it has all the links that can refer you on if you want to